Okay, so, hey YouTube, it's your girl Loving Me Finally, or, yeah, I think that's my YouTube name. Anyway, this video is going to be on my invisible part. I've already glued it, molded, and everything else like that down. I've posted the products that I used, I paid for everything myself, nothing was given to me. Now I put the name of the hair, on there, and I posted a picture of it, or I tried to. Okay, so far I did my closure, and it came out perfect this time than it did the last time, or the other time, the first time I did the way I wore it to church. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of blue, because I flat ironed it, or whatever. So I'm just going to take a little bit of blue and put on the bottom of it, and then I'm going to stick it on my head, basically. And I'm going to put a little dry. And just because my camera's acting real crazy, um, I am gonna put some curls in it. I'm thinking I'm gonna cut a bang, like slanted maybe. I don't know. No, I don't think I'm gonna cut it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will maybe one day next week post step by step on how to do this. But I think more than likely everybody watches YouTube now, so everybody knows how to do it. But there are just some people like me, I'm still learning, that still wants that extra guidance on to how to do it. So I will do a video on that, but I just don't have time today because, like I said, my camera's being retarded for some reason, and it's really making me mad. But and I'm gonna fix that because I don't like the way it's poking up. But this is my invisible part. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll go in. My camera's been a little crazy, but okay. Bye, YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. Please suggest, ways I can do it better because this is my first time, and I don't like the way that it is, but oh well, it'll be good enough for today. Please, tell me what I can do to make it better, what you guys want. I love you guys always. Keep God first, and have a Merry Christmas.